Okay, this is still lesson 53, but it's part 2 of it. There was another part after the decimals chart, and that is on simplifying fractions. So I'm going to write that up there. Make sure you're taking good notes. Okay, we're still in the same lesson. Simplifying fractions. Okay, now, what I mean by that is, let's say we have 4/6 plus 5/6. Okay, our very first step is to line up these vertically. 4/6 plus 5/6. Now, because we have the same denominator, we're going to go on and bring it down. It stays the same. So now all we have to do is add 4 plus 5, which equals 9/6. Okay? Now, we cannot leave that answer the same. Okay? We cannot leave it just as it is. Okay? It needs 2 things done to it. Alright? And we're going to talk about what that is. So I'm going to write 9/6 up here so you can see it. Alright? Now, there are 2 different choices that you can make. Okay? The first one is that we can reduce first and then convert second. I'll explain what that means. Or we could convert first and reduce second. Okay? You decide which one you like better. Alright, now I'm going to start with this one over here. Alright, we're going to reduce first and then convert. So let's take 9/6, that was our answer, okay? And let's go on and reduce it. Now, what number will go into both of these? 3 will. So I'm going to go and divide both of them by 3. Okay, so I get 3/2 as my answer. Now, something is wrong with this, okay? It is an improper fraction, and what that means is that the number on top is bigger than the number on the bottom. Okay, you cannot have that. Now, if this was reversed and this said 2/3, okay, if that was the reciprocal, if that was the answer, then this would be completely correct. Okay, you would leave it and you would be done. Okay, but because the big number is on top, something has to be done. Okay, it's called an improper fraction, and we have to make it proper. So, what this says is 3 divided by 2. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. 3 divided by 2. Alright? 2 will go into 3 one time. Okay? And I get 1 remainder. Now, if you remember, that comes up to the top, and then this 2 comes over here. So my answer is 1 1/2. And that is my final answer, because 1/2 will not reduce anymore, and this 3/2 is converted into a mixed number. Okay, so that we reduced and then converted. So we've done this one. Alright, now let's try converting it first and then reducing it. Okay, so I've got 9/6, that was my answer. Alright, let's go on and convert it first. Okay, what this says is 9 divided by 6. Now remember, we cannot have the big number on top because it is improper. So we have to actually work it out to make it a mixed number. So 9 divided by 6, exactly what it says. I'm writing it down a different way right here. 6 will go into 9 one time. I'm going to do my math, and then 3 comes up here, and 6 goes over. Now, my answer is 1 3/6. We've converted it into a mixed number, but 3/6 will reduce. So, what are we going to do? We have to find a number that will go into both of these. So we're going to choose 3, because 3 will go into both of these ones as well. So 3 will go into 3 one time, and 3 will go into 6 2 times. Alright, so we've taken 3/6 and reduced it to 1/2, or to half. Okay? Now we still have this 1 over here. So 1 and then 1/2. Okay? Either way, you get the same answer. This time you got 1 1/2, and this one you got 1 1/2. You can do it either way. You decide which way works best for you. And that's what you can do. Alrighty, guys. Hope this helps. And hope you understand everything. If not, ask me at school. Thanks.